Classical Feng Shui masters might say 2026 is a year of shifting alliances for the pig. At Imperial Harvest, we see it differently. It is a year of connection and discretion. Where others seek noise, you move with quiet grace. Guided by Jade Hall and monthly virtue stars, your sincerity draws benefactors, your strategy multiplies rewards. Yet, the Robbery Sha star reminds you true wealth needs protection. In 2026, generosity and wisdom must walk hand in hand. This is a benefactor blessed cycle. Jade Hall star brings timely help. Monthly virtue star turns kindness into momentum. Your sincerity attracts allies and fair terms. Still, Robbery Sha and lesser consumer stars warn. Protect data, belongings and budgets. Avoid showiness. With warmth and boundaries, you advance elegantly and securely. Earnings grow through collaboration and reputation. Document agreements, price with clarity, and diversify within competence. Curb image-driven spending flagged by less consumer star. Set monthly guardrails for dining, gifting, travel. Against Robbery Sha star, use low-profile habits, separate cards, two-factor logins, and quiet logistics. Stewardship turns steady cash flow into compounding wealth. Opportunity arrives via referrals and senior advocates from Jade Hall star. Translate advice into plans, milestones, and fast feedback loops. Be agile with changing structures. Reliability becomes your edge. Entrepreneurs, protect margins, stress test partner, and avoid vanity expansion. Quiet professionalism and consistent delivery equates sustainable advancement. Death Charm star calls for preventive care. Social and work demands can drain sleep and immunity. Prioritize earlier nights, lighter evening meals, and daily movement. Support digestion and cardiovascular balance. Schedule checkups proactively. Calm pacing and present moment attention are your best safeguards this year. Monthly virtue star softens interaction. Intros feels natural. Trust deepens, singles progress through shared values and steady presence. Couples grow via transparent money talks and aligned timelines. Curate collaborations, empathy with firm boundaries prevent losses from misplaced faith. Lead with grace, your circle becomes an engine of good fortune. Your Imperial Harvest blueprint does not predict, it aligns. Activate Jade Hall star for timely patrons and strategic counsel. Anchor monthly virtue star to convert goodwill into smooth execution. With consecrated Imperial Feng Shui treasures, compassion pairs with discernment, doors open, and your safeguards hold. Classical Feng Shui speaks of waiting for luck. Imperial Feng Shui teaches alignment with purpose. For the pig, 2026 is a year to build trust, preserve energy, and refine wealth. Claim your Imperial Harvest Master Blueprint 2026. Strengthen your connections, protect your blessings, and design a legacy built on wisdom and grace.